What's up guys, I'm James and welcome back to the Great Gambino channel. Today we are going to unbox and take a look at Ninjor from the Masters of the Universe Origins line. Now if you have subscribed to the channel, you will know that Francis and I recently attended PowerCon 2021. We had a great time, and if you would like to see our 4K event tour, I will have a link down below in the description. Ninjor is one of those characters that came out later in the Masters line, and he is one of the small few that I never owned in the set. If he had come out any earlier, I think I would have been very excited, as I was a huge martial arts fan when I was a kid. By the time Ninjor was in stores, I had already moved on to collecting the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. The card reads from the top, new for 2021, Masters of the Universe, Ninjor, Evil Ninja Warrior, Modern Posing Retro Play, and there you have the character in the blister card setup. I always like to show from a side profile that these modern versions have a thicker clamshell than the vintage versions, but I kind of like it because it works better for propping the box up. Flipping to the reverse side of the card, just like every other Masters Origin piece, it comes with excellent artwork. Unfortunately, the center tab fell out during shipping, and I used a random peg filler that matches from the front but not the back. This does not matter too much as I am opening the figure. Getting back to the illustration, we have something that is straight out of the 80s, a martial arts ninja warrior leaping through the air performing a flying sidekick at King Randor. Off to the left, we have Clampchamp quickly leaping into action in an attempt to save the day. In the background, we have a beautiful collage of fire, mountains, sky, and what looks like a moon. If you look closely, you will see some dragons flying in the sky. Down below we have some instructions showing the included weapons along with character posing possibilities, and on the right side we see other figures that are included in the collection, such as He-Man, Stratos, Hordak, Skeletor, Triclops, and Ninjor. But let's go ahead and open up the package. Each Origin figure comes with a diagram that shows removable parts. Just like in our last review, Ninjor comes with a mini comic that he is featured on the cover of. I love getting these throwback forms of media that really turn up the nostalgia. Ninjor comes packed with many accessories such as his ninja bow, a pair of nunchucks that have a little plastic link style chain, and a katana blade. Taking a look at the figure outside of the package, he is very impressive like most of the other characters in this line. He is styled in a very sleek red and black color combination and has multiple spots to hold his accessories. His shirt and hood are made of plastic, but they have a texture creating the illusion of fabric. On his chest there is an image of a dragon with a katana blade running through it, and down below, Mattel has chose to use the monster variety of footwear. But let's go over the articulation. The head is on a ball joint that pops right off for swappability. Overall, it has a good range of movement. We have a bend and rotate at the shoulder, a bend at the elbow, a bend and rotate at the wrist, a swivel at the waist. Like every other character in the line, he can almost go to a full split, but not quite 180. We have a bend at the knee, a swivel at the boot, a bend at the foot, along with a rocker. This is pretty much the same standard stuff you get across the entire line. Looking close in, you can see the paint job along with that sculpted fabric texture detail. I'm pretty impressed, and it all looks rather clean, especially for a figure in this price range. But I will let you take an overall look at this figure under the macro lens. Here's a shot of Ninjor from the back, fully loaded with accessories. Alright, that is going to wrap up this review of the Masters of the Universe Origins Ninjor. If you did enjoy this video, please help me out by clicking the like button or possibly subscribing. Thank you for watching all the way until the end, and I will see you in the next one.